Hello friends, I am Dr. Vishnu Agrawal. Welcomes you in my channel Engineering Setu. So today we are discussing the solution of NPTEL assignment 4 of Ethics in Engineering Practices. The due date of this assignment is 28th March 24. Let's discuss the assignment. Question number 1. Which of the following works are protected under the Berne Convention adopted in 1886? The right answer is none of above because literary activities are protected under the Berne Convention adopted in 1886. Second one, it is a case study. Mary has recently had her dubbed novel published in her own nation. She hopes to sell her book internationally after having it translated into many languages. So without registering her copyright in each country individually, Mary can acquire protection for her book in other nations according to which point of Berne Convention 1971. Option B is correct. This is the case study which comes under the principle of national treatment. Question number 3. The S1 it has two statements. So which is true and which is false we have to find. So in my opinion the option B is correct, S1 is false and S2 is true. Question number 4. It is also a case study in which someone steals the customer data from other company. So it is a type of hacking because someone is stealing the program of some other company. So for question number 4, hacking is the correct answer. Now come to the question number 5. As per the duration of protection under the Berne Contract 1971, the term of protection of unidentified work expire in 50 years after the work has been lawfully made available to the people. So for question number 5, fourth option is correct. For question number 6, which of the following statement does not comply with the code of ethics for those employed by nuclear agency? Here the option D is correct because second and fifth option is not complete in the code of ethics of nuclear agencies. Because safety is the first, safety is first, then commercial gain would be equally important. Safety is first, then commercial gain, and the risk-based decision making. So second and fifth option is not complete with the code of ethics. Question number 7. The Kalam is an American author whose work has appeared in print in his own country. This is a case study in which I think C option is correct. The principle of independence of protection is the right answer for this. In question number 8, it has also two options, assertion A and reason R. So in my opinion the option D is correct. A is false but R is true. Assertion is false and reason is true. Question number 9. As per the automatic protection of Berne Contract 1971, which of the following condition is true? There are two conditions. B condition is true. Protection must not be conditioned upon compliances. Copyright protection exists automatically from the time a qualifying work is fixed in a tangible medium. For question number 10, so it is also case study. In the given case study, what is the main issue regarding intellectual property rights? So copyright protection for software is the right answer for the question number 10. So thank you for listening. Subscribe the channel so that you can get the solution of next assignment in time. Thank you.